Hi, I'm Clara, and I'm really happy you're here with me today. If you enjoy learning English in a calm, natural way, you might want to subscribe to my English routine channel so we can keep practicing together. In this video, we're stepping into a real, everyday moment, talking to a neighbor and making small talk feel easy and comfortable. You'll hear useful words like package, front desk, and drain cleaner, the kind of words people really use in daily life. But before we jump in, here's the question of the day. When you hear the word blocked, what do you think it really means in a normal conversation? Stay with me, because by the end of our vocabulary moment, you'll be able to use it with confidence in your own life. Now, follow Jack, and let's get started.
Oh, hi there. Good morning. I almost didn't hear you knock.
Morning, Jack. No problem at all. I was just checking if you got the package I left by your door last night.
Oh, yes, I did. Thank you for that. I saw it when I came back from work, and I thought, well, my neighbor is faster than my delivery app. I really appreciate it.
Happy to help. It was sitting in the hallway, so I didn't want anyone to take it.
That's very kind of you. By the way, I'm still learning the small rules of this building. Is it okay to leave packages like that, or should I ask the front desk next time?
Usually it's fine for small things. If it's something big or expensive, the front desk can keep it safe.
I see. That makes sense. I will remember that for my next online order. I buy too many things late at night when my brain is tired.
We've all been there. What did you order this time?
Just a new kettle. My old one started to make a very strange sound. It was like it was singing in the morning, but not in a nice way.
Sounds like it was time for a new one then.
Yes, for sure. So, by the way, I see you almost every morning when I leave for work, and I always wonder how your day usually starts. Do you have a calm morning, or is it busy?
Oh, it's a mix. I wake up early because I like a quiet house. I make some tea, read a little, and then I get ready for my job around 8.
That sounds very peaceful. My mornings are, how can I say this, a small battle. My alarm and I are not friends in the morning.
I can imagine. Do you have to rush a lot?
Sometimes, yes. I try to plan my clothes the night before, but I still look at my closet and think, why do I have nothing to wear, even when it's full?
That happens to me too. What do you do for work, by the way? We say hello all the time, but I never asked.
I work at a small office downtown. I help with customer emails and simple reports. It's not very exciting, but the people are nice, and the coffee machine is my best friend there.
A good coffee machine can really save a workday.
Oh, absolutely. So, do you work close to home, or do you travel far?
I work at a clinic about 15 minutes away. I usually walk if the weather is good.
That's nice. I take the bus. Some days it's very full, and I have to stand the whole way. It's like a free workout before work.
At least you're getting some exercise.
Yes, that's true. By the way, I wanted to ask you something about this building. The water in my kitchen sink is a bit slow. It takes a long time to go down. Do you have the same problem?
Sometimes, yes. It can get blocked with food or soap. I usually use a simple drain cleaner and it helps.
Good idea. I will try the cleaner today after work. I don't want my sink to turn into a small swimming pool.
That's a good idea. If it doesn't work, you can call the building manager. They're pretty helpful.
Thanks for the tip. I like to fix small things myself first, but I know my limits.
That's smart. So, how long have you been living here now?
Almost 6 months. Time goes very fast. At first, I felt a little lost, but now I know the shops, the bus stops, and the best place to buy fresh bread in the morning.
Oh, where do you get your bread?
There's a bakery on the corner near the park. The smell alone can wake you up better than any alarm.
I know that place. Their rolls are great.
Yes, I sometimes stop there on my way to work. My boss thinks I'm early, but really, I just don't want to miss the warm bread.
That's a good reason to be early.
So, if you don't mind me asking, do you enjoy living in this building? I always like to hear what other people think.
I do. It's quiet, the neighbors are friendly, and it's close to everything I need.
I feel the same. It's nice to say hello to someone and not feel like a stranger. It makes the place feel more like home.
Exactly. It's the small talks that make a difference.
Well, I should let you go. You look ready for your walk to work, and I don't want to make you late.
Thanks, I appreciate that. It was nice talking with you, Jack.
You too. And thanks again for the package and the advice about the sink.
Anytime. Have a good day at work.
You too. See you later.
That was a really warm conversation, Jack. You kept it natural and friendly.
I'm really surprised, too. It always seems difficult at the beginning, but once you start, words start flowing.
You're totally right. Very proud of you. Jack, before we wrap things up, I'd love to look back at some of the words you used today. You handled that neighbor talk really well.
Oh, nice. That was a good chat. I'm ready to remember it all again.
Let's start with something simple. Do you remember when you said package?
Yeah, that was the box my neighbor left by my door. It's what you get when you order something online and it arrives at your home.
Exactly. It's not just a box, it's the whole delivery, like when you're waiting all day and finally hear the knock.
Haha, yes. That moment feels like a small holiday.
I like that. And then you use the word front desk. That came up very naturally.
Right. It's the place in a building where someone helps you. You go there if you need information or if something important needs to be kept safe.
Like when you don't want to leave a big package in the hallway.
Or when you get lost and don't know which floor to go to. I've done that once. It was a little embarrassing.
That happens to everyone. By the way, I noticed you talked about online order too.
Oh yes, that's when you buy something on your phone or computer instead of going to a shop.
And then you wait for the package again.
Exactly. It's a full circle.
Let's move to another moment. You said your kettle started to make a strange sound.
Yeah, that was funny. A strange sound is a noise that feels unusual or not normal.
Like when something in your house suddenly starts talking to you.
Yes, you look at it and think, is this supposed to do that?
That made the conversation feel very real. Now, I liked how you talked about your alarm.
Oh, my enemy. That's the thing that wakes you up in the morning.
Or tries to.
Tries very hard. You use it when you need to wake up at a certain time for work or school.
And you also mentioned your closet.
Right, that's where I keep my clothes. It's funny because even when it's full, I still feel like I have nothing to wear.
I think a lot of people feel that way.
It's a mystery of life.
Then you talked about your job and the coffee machine.
Oh yes, that's the machine at work that makes coffee for everyone.
It's more than a machine. It's almost a friend.
Definitely. When I'm tired, I go there first before I check my emails.
That's a good strategy. Now, let's remember when you asked about the sink and said it was blocked.
Ah, yes. That means the water can't go down easily.
You use it when something stops the normal flow, like food or soap in the drain.
Or hair in the bathroom sink. That one is not very nice.
True. And then you mentioned a drain cleaner.
That's the liquid you use to help clean the pipe and make the water go down again.
So it helps fix the problem without calling someone right away.
Exactly. I like to try that first before I ask for help.
Which brings us to building manager.
Right. That's the person who takes care of the building. You call them when something big is wrong.
Like if the water stops completely.
Or if the door doesn't close anymore. That would be a problem.
Then you talked about how long you've been living there. You said 6 months.
Yes, that's how you talk about time, how long something lasts.
You can use it for jobs, homes, or even habits.
Like, I've been drinking too much coffee for 6 months. That sounds like me.
That sounds very honest. You also mentioned bus stops.
Oh yeah, that's the place where you wait for the bus.
It's a small word, but very useful in daily life.
Definitely. If you don't know where the bus stop is, you're not going anywhere.
Then you talked about the bakery.
That's my favorite place. It's a shop where they make and sell bread.
And it smells really good in the morning.
Yes, sometimes I go there just for the smell. Then I remember I should actually buy something.
That's a good reason to go in. Now, let's think about when you said the building is quiet.
That means it's not noisy. There's not a lot of sound.
You use it to talk about places or moments that feel calm.
Like early mornings before everyone wakes up.
or late at night when the day is done.
Those are my favorite times.
You also said it feels like home.
Yeah, that's when a place feels comfortable and safe, not just a building.
It's more about the feeling than the walls.
Exactly. When people say hello and smile, it starts to feel like home.
I really liked that part. Now, let's finally go back to the word we asked our viewers about at the beginning, blocked.
Oh yeah, that one again. I'm curious now.
Blocked means something can't move or pass the way it should, like your sink when the water can't go down.
Or when a road is closed and cars can't drive through.
That's a great example. You can also use it at work. For example, I'm blocked on this task, when you can't continue because you need help or information.
Ah, I like that. That happens to me with emails sometimes. I read one and think, I'm blocked, I don't know what to write back.
Exactly. And at home, you can say your schedule is blocked when you're busy and have no free time.
So it's not just about pipes and roads, it's also about time and work.
Yes, it fits many situations. Now, think about blocked in your own life. How would you use it at work, at home, or with friends?
Maybe with friends, I could say, sorry, I'm blocked this weekend, I already have plans.
That's perfect. It sounds natural and clear.
Nice. That word is more powerful than I thought.
It really is. And if you want more moments like this, where we explore everyday words in a simple way, don't forget to subscribe to my English Routine channel and click the bell.
Practice with your own examples, think about your day, and enjoy using English in real life. It really makes a difference.